guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, you join me in Winchester. We're here tonight for City Smokers. I've got the daily with me. That car will be going up for sale very soon and we should be changing it out with something different. We're here a little bit early. Cars are arriving as we speak. So let's just get straight into the video. Oh, I like the old Civics. The EKs are well nice. Got the Subaru from yesterday's meet. Oh, someone's popping and banging over there. Away. This is loud. Oh, we have an S14 arriving. Check that out. Got another EK. The car park is slowly starting to fill up. We've still got cars arriving, including the Fiat Punto. I'm parked over there on my own. No one else is over there, just me. Oh my god. Got a Subaru. Giving some revs. Then we got a Toyota Chaser, but my camera's not focusing. That's annoying. Oh, we got the Chaser from earlier. We got a better look this time. It's actually focusing. There we go. Oh, we have an Audi R8 arriving. He's already leaving? What? I think I just see something pink. What have we got? We got an E46 in pink, and also there it is, and a pink Mini behind. We have a police car that has just arrived. He's parking in the corner. Oh, and it's plain. Check that out. Oh, that looks wide. It's an E36. Look at the colour on that as well. I can hear the welded diff, and then we got a 350 behind. Look at the paintwork on that. That's cool. I've never seen that before. Is the R8 back again? Yes, it is. He's got the roof down this time and a passenger. It's very dark. We have street lights on, but for some reason it's just so dark. My camera's not picking up everything that well. Yeah, like even down there, it's just so dark. Hear the sound of that. Well, there goes the police car making their exit. So there's officially no police here now. Oh, there goes the S14. Camera did not focus. So they have just announced a new location. This one is in Basingstoke, so it's heading back towards our house, which is a good thing. We're now going to film the cars leaving. There's another Mark 1 that I didn't see arrive. Got the Focus ST. Since when did the S14 come back again? I didn't see that. pretty much the car park empty. We've got a few more cars leaving quickly. Got the E36. Oh, and the 350, there's a better view. I did not see that in there as well. Our park was more full than I first thought. There's an RX-8. I think this driver may have broken down. He is getting a push. Yeah, there we go. Oh no. So we are now back in the car. We're heading to the next location since it's on the way home in Basingstoke. So hopefully by the time we get there, it hasn't been shut down by police. But yeah, I'll see you once we're there. If the location hasn't been changed from the one we're heading to, it's confusing. I'll see you once we're there. Someone's skidding, so we've just arrived to this location. There's no signs of police as of yet. I'm scared of this tyre. Going as well. Oh no. Thank God it didn't happen in front of me. There we go, the police have just arrived. Right, so we're now back in the car. I'm gonna head home. That was it for City Smokers. The police have arrived, they're still up there, so now everyone's going. I'm not sure if there's a new location or not, but it's starting to get late and I'm starting to get tired. So yeah, I really hope you have all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and or subscribe, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace out.